guys. We already went here already. Just after we went to Park and Fly in Parañaque to park our car, and we're now already in Iya Airport since we arrived here 11 p.m. and I celebrated New Year while sitting from the countdown from my phone and posted my very first video. First post, I think. My videos here. Happy New Year, guys. Since they're sleep or something, I'm just gonna sleep on a plane and train. maybe 2 days no sleeping, just like the last time we went to wherever. It's so empty. Then my last time it's full of people because we went and we were the first going here in this flight. If I knew about the solo flight or others, lots of cars crossing over this midnight. Christmas, come on, and New Year.